We're going to continue on with our setup here in Profitable Pineapple Express, and we're going to work on cost of goods. So this is still the connection screen. This is what you default to after you get your connection set up. You can, once you've selected your brand, you can go to Skew Details. And here on Skew Details, you can input your cost of goods. Again, this is our test account. You can do two things. You can double click and update them here, or you can go to edit and update them individually. Now, I don't recommend deleting it like I just did. Updating it would make more sense. But cost of goods right here, $275. Submit changes, and that will update. The reason it's nice to have cost of goods in there is this records history down every day. So it'll record what your sales are, the cost of goods of that, and it'll also record down what your inventory is, what's in Amazon, what's in your warehouse 3PL, and what your warehouse stock is. So that's good for just going good accounting. So you can go to history and pick a certain day and time and actually see what your stock value was. And we're going to do that right now. Come with me. Follow along. I'm going to go to the last day of December, and my cost of goods is $1,700. I'm doing real well. Amazon stock, warehouse stock, cost of goods on hand. There are purchase orders that is not figured into that cost of goods. And we had one sale. So there's my cost of goods right there. Again, this is a test account. That is how you update cost of goods.